forward to Ooty because it is just 20 degrees in peak summertime there. As we are here at the food pyramid, this is what happened in the last 3 days. So dark and suddenly it became so bright. Just had some hot chai. It's like 6:15 in the morning. We are 150 kilometers away from Hyderabad. Lovely sunrise coming up and we hope to reach by noon to Bangalore, so hopefully we'll reach our target. Lovely morning, guys. Riding in the mornings is actually amazing. Feels fresh. Now next break is breakfast, maybe at Kurnool, another 140 kilometers away. When we entered this restaurant, it was literally pitch dark. Within 15 minutes, look at the amount of light, guys. The most powerful light in the world, sun. Actually, not the world, powerful light in the galaxy, I guess. Our galaxy at least. Here at Hotel Amazon Basics for breakfast. Seems like a nice place. Good breakfast actually. Nice, fresh, not so oily. And a clean place basically. So you can try it out next time. It's like what, maybe 250 kilometers from Hyderabad, I guess. So decent enough ride from Hyderabad actually. 250 kilometers. Yeah, we're another 300 kilometers from Bangalore, so next stop would be close to that. That's the workhorse for today. We just stopped for some fuel break and to stretch our legs. We got like another 200 or so kilometers to Bangalore. We are doing it quite fast actually. We'll reach there by 12 o'clock if I'm not wrong. 12 to 1. Just look at the amazing roads, guys. We just had to pay a toll for the bike. That is the first time I ever paid a toll, but definitely worth it. See the condition of the road, completely white top, smooth as crazy. And more than that, I want to show you the sun today. It's actually cool, pleasant and decently sunny. Bangalore guys are so lucky, yeah. Like you get to travel to so many places. I think I've said this when I went to Pune too. It's just that they have so much to go in and around the cities, like a weekend ride, 200-300 kilometer ride. And I guess in that sense, this is one lovely area. So you have Ooty, you have Coorg, you have Bandipur, you have Goa, you have Hampi, and these are the ones I at least know of. Nandi Hills is close by, but anyways, they have so many locations, guys. Insane, right? Classic 500. Sri Guru Prasad Pure Veg Udupi. We thought there will be some good lunch here, but then they only had a so-so Bismillah bath. But anyways, now we are like 70 kilometers away. 20 kilometers of that would be a basic road, and then the rest is a ghat. Finally a ghat, but the weather is hot and we are a bit tired, so I don't know how much we are excited to enjoy the ghat as we usually do. We are going through Bandipur Tiger Reserve. There have been actually reports of tiger sightings here sometimes. I hope we are not so lucky because I'm actually scared of tigers and this is not the right environment. Anyways, I hope we come across at least some animals, not the tigers or the elephants, hopefully. Nilgiri district road starts from here. We are entering Tamil Nadu. And speed breaker I wish these speed breakers can stop. I have crossed at least 20-25 of those so far. What the fuck? Look at this view, guys. Just trees and hills, nothing else. A road in the middle of nowhere, literally nowhere. Over speed punishable. ఇక్కడ ఓవర్ స్పీడ్ ఎట్లా పోతారా? Crazy hairpin bends, guys. Never seen this crazy before. At least since I've known riding. Wow, that was like at least 30-35 hairpin bends that we have encountered in the last 10 minutes. Crazy. Streetwin is an amazing bike in the corners, have to say that. Truckstone and Streetwin, and even to some extent Street Triple is actually, Street Triple is the best because of the power and the grip levels. Truckstone and Streetwin are fun too, and I think Tiger would be the last in terms of how much you can enjoy on a bend where you get deep. And now we have this stretch where you have these amazingly long trees, lot of greenery, and also the weather is very cool. The key to riding in a ghat is actually not seeing where you are, but actually seeing where you want to go. That's the most important thing. That's a mistake a lot of new riders do. Like they see where they are and they correct the steering or their position, but it's more to do with where you want to go actually, and focusing on that, and also understanding how much speed you can take into a corner. If you haven't taken enough speed to make the corner, just try to make it a straight ride. Even if you go a little deep, that's always safer. Stay in your half, that's the best thing always, but you can go a little deep. So if I'm not making this corner, I can rather go a bit deep stop instead of going into someone else's way. So that's one basic thing I learned riding in the ghats. We are officially in Queen of Hills, Ooty. The last time I remember seeing Ooty was with my family. Fond memories, especially now that my father's not here. I miss those times. But Ooty was more like a city actually. Kunur was where we stayed. Oh shit, that was a baby horse. Is where we stayed, and that was much more prettier. Ooty was more city-like, so not so much fun, and it was kind of hot too. So I enjoyed being in Kunur.